Okay, super short video because this car came back. It's already sold, but it came back. It's broken. It has 3 error codes that are consistent, which means that whenever I am deleting them, they are coming back together. Now, what happens with the car is neutral handbrake. It doesn't want to start, and the error codes are 27C1 P2781 and 2782, which is inlet and outlet camshaft and master camshaft, whatever it is. I have some screenshots, no, pictures here. Now the BMW part for that is 12147518628, link in the description. And we're gonna replace both of them, so I got 2. All you need to do that is a hex bolt, like hex key, like this. It's H5. Ow. The bonnet. So the sensors are located here and here. And the bolts are upside down, so remember to keep that in mind when you are unbolting them. Okay, this sensor does not have a O-ring on it, so it means that it's stuck here. Now to take it off, you have to squeeze right here and pull at the same time. I'm not able to do it with one hand. And this is our old sensor. This is the new one that's in a box. Comes with a new O-ring. By the way, that's FEBI and that's 23799 part number. Those sensors look a little bit the same on the tip. It's different shape, but this is the replacement one. It can not look like the OEM or shouldn't. So don't worry about that. The same thing applies to the crankshaft sensor, which I also replaced. It was also a different shape, but it works. Rubbing a little bit of oil from here to put it here. Okay, let's put it in. Now putting the bolt back in and reconnecting. And now I will repeat everything for the other side, for the exhaust cam, and we're gonna check if it helped. So I have this OBD2 USB cable that I plug in. It works. This to the laptop. Ignition. One, 2, 3. Let's check again. Nothing. Now let's see if she starts. Shit. Well, that didn't help. So now I have to go to the workshop, get timing set and try to retime the engine, which I hate to do, but I just gotta do it. Small update, I've just climbed out from under the car because I put the flywheel locking pin in and I'm gonna recheck the timing. So that's the second guess I'm taking with why this engine is not starting. Maybe it skipped timing, I don't know. Okay, I didn't put the blockades on the engine yet, but I can already see that it's out of time, and it's my fault. The issue was that the crank bolt was not tight enough. It should be 200 Newton meters. I had to do it wrong. So I'm gonna time the engine and cross my fingers that it starts. Engine retimed. Now I'm gonna put it back together and give you an update. Now let's see. Now we got compression, so it's a lot better. The car idles smooth, it drives okay, and I think it solved the issue. So the engine was out of time. The 278182 and 27C1 errors probably mean that you have skipped timing, or the engine just simply is out of time. It was my fault in this case, and well, one very smart YouTuber said that you shouldn't be ashamed of making mistakes. You should be ashamed if you are not learning from them. So I got myself a new tool, which is a lot better for high torque bolts, and hopefully we will never have the same issue in the future. Thanks for watching, and oh, we have another error right now, 2731, and I don't know what that means. The car drives. If I ever solve it, I'll let you know and make an episode about it. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!